So how do you crop a section of a video using VSDC? Welcome back to Tech. This is where we help you get your tech right. So sometime you may have created a video and would like to have a portion of it cropped. For instance, right now, if I wanted to crop this power extension on the wall, what I'll do is I'll take my video to VSDC video editor and move this the last part of my frame slightly so that extension is not captured. So how do you do that in VSDC? So let's go to a VSDC free video editor and see how you can crop a section of your video and make it just how you want it to be like. So once we are in our dashboard, I think by now you already know how to upload a video to VSDC. So we have our video here, so let's just go over this real quick. So if you look at my video, there are certain sections that like now in this case my video displays the taskbar section of my screen. So let's say I don't want to show this, I don't want this to be displayed. I would like to crop this out, and I would also like to crop the top part where it shows the this watermark of this screen recorder that I'm using. So what I'll do is simple. I'll just click on this video, the item that I need to crop, and then I'll move to the top under editor, not projects, not scenes. You must make sure that editor is selected. Then under editor, under cutting and splitting, I have this option here where if I hover my mouse over it, I have the crop tools. So if I click on this arrow here and say choose custom region, because I want to crop a certain region of my screen that I know about, that I can see. So what I'll do is I choose custom region. Then now I'll be brought to the screen where I can roll this out and choose just the exact point where I'd like to crop out. So move my pointer to the top, and then once I drag it, you can see that the video selection leaves the watermark that I wanted to remove from my screen. So I just do that, and I'll do the same with the bottom, crop it. I can do the same with the left and the right hand sides so that I can crop this video. I don't have the black sections on this screen of mine or appearing in my video. So I can see this. I'll just move this slightly, then I'll drag this to that portion. So this is something that you can do. Once you have chosen custom, you are the one to choose whether you want to have these black sections appearing, or you just want to remove the bottom section only, or the bottom top section alone. So if once you have dragged this to a position where you feel like what is in this part is all that you want to be displayed in your video, you simply click on OK, and then you can save your video. So you save your video and you notice that the bottom and the top sections that bear the taskbar, this taskbar here, and the Bandicam watermark does not appear in my video. So it's just simple. It's just how you crop a section of a video that you don't want to see at your end result or after editing your video. So if you find this helpful, tap the share button, give me a like, and also click on the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with new uploads or new creations on VSDC and other tech videos that may help you make your life easier. So the reason why I insist on tapping the like button, it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it could mean that my videos would be recommended to other users, and that would help me develop my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.